Certified seed, first generation. Germination percent 90 to 100%. Purity 99.0 percentage. The biggest secret in achieving or in getting maximum or good returns in farming, regardless of the crop you're doing, is the numbers. I usually call it the game of numbers. How many plants do you have? If it's maize, how many number of maize do you have? How healthy are your number of maize? How many number of cabbages do you have? So the game of numbers applies and cuts across in all crops. And this now becomes a worrying factor, makes farmers worry when I tell them plant one seed, plant one row. And there is this farmer who is very much worried and who is asking, why am I not doing 2 or 3 seeds per hole? And I wanted to know, though I knew, I wanted to know from them, why should I do 3 seeds, or why should I do 2 seeds instead of the 1 seed that I'm doing? Or why should I do a double line instead of the single line that I'm doing? Why should I do a lesser spacing because I'm doing 100 centimeters by 25 centimeters? Why should I do a lesser spacing? And this was the answer, which is very right. The farmer told me that if you do 1 seed, what if it fails to germinate? What happens? That's a very good concern. If you do 1 seed, what if there is something that cuts, the cutworms or the crickets cut that 1 seed? That becomes a big concern and also a worry to that farmer. So that brought me now to the conclusion that many farmers do double lines, do 2 to 3 seeds, so that if others fail to germinate, at least they have something that is left. But there is something I wanted to clarify to you and to make it very clear to you. Using our seeds, as you can see them, using these seeds, you see what the color of the seeds? They are pink. Not that these maize will be pink. This is seed dressing. They have been dressed using a chemical. This is an inoculant. This is to protect the seeds from any damaging insect that may end up interfering with the seeds. That gives you an assurance that this seed, come what may, this seed is going to germinate, because there is nothing that can eat these seeds when still in the soil, because already it's protected. When farming, like I told you, I'm doing an hybrid seed. This is an hybrid seed. If you come to this marking here, it reads grain code, germination percent 90 to 100%, purity 99.0 percentage, date of test November 2023. Yes. And these where do I see the F1 variety or the hybrid variety? This checks certified seed. You see, certified seed first generation. You've seen it yourself. Certified seed, it's not me using, it's certified seed first generation. Then from the certified seed first generation, purity is 99.0 to 100%. Germination rate is 90 to 100%. That means, because I know all the factors are taken care of, I'm going to achieve 100% germination. I'm pretty sure of that because I've used this before. And that's why I'm very confident with the hybrid seeds. and I'm not going to do double seeds because one, these seeds are very expensive. At the moment, they are a 2 kg bag is costing 1,500 Kenyan shillings. So you see, 1,000 Kenyan shillings. If and in an acre, I'm doing 4 bags. That is 6,000. If I decide, because I fear germination, I do double seeds, I'll do 8 bags. It will cost me double of what I'm supposed to cost me. Yet the manufacturer has assured me it's a first generation seed. Purity is 99% to 100%. Germination is 90 to 100%. Not less than 90, and you can achieve up to 100%. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to achieve 99 point germination percent. So don't worry about the germination, because the seed is taken care of. The seed germination is very high. It's first generation, the F1 hybrid first generation seed. So when you are doing this, don't worry about germination. But if you do the shortcut and decide to do to harvest your maize and plant them, that means now you're going to do the 3 numbers maize, and it's not going to give you the quality cob, the one that I'm running for. I told you I'm targeting the big market, which is silage and green maize. That is the biggest market. If that fails, I'll settle for grains, but the two cannot fail. I cannot fail to get one because I know that's a big market. So you've known now why I'm doing one seed and single line. And the reason why I'm doing the bigger spacing is so that I can achieve a big cob. I need to have healthy maize tree and also achieve a big cob, because the success start from the planting. If you squeeze them together, you are not going to achieve the big cob. They will be congested together. The population yields will be very high, but you won't achieve as required size of the cob for the green market, unless now you go to the silage. Silage is what needs a lot of the big quantities, though they will be very thin. But in my case now, I want to push for the big cob. Hope this is not your last video that we're watching. You follow step by step and see what will be what it will resort to. I'm hoping for the best, though it's rain fed, and I'm going to supplement it with irrigation if rain fails or if rain stops. This is the beginning, or this is the starting point of our success story. Hope you've learned something from today's discussion. Let's adopt hybrid seeds, and you are going to achieve all that you are looking for. In an acre, those who are asking, an acre carries around 20,000 stems. That is what an acre carries. And that is what I'm looking forward, maybe to sell it in green maize or to sell it in silage. If that fails, I go for the green. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, join to be a member of this YouTube channel. By you becoming a member, you support me. If you like what I do, be a member, and let's always grow together and learn together. Bye.